Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to manage stock on eBay. So open eBay application on your device and then go to your selling section at the bottom side of your screen, and then open all your listings and go to active listings. So scroll through the list and find the item you want to update. So tap the listing and then tap revise your item to make some changes. Scroll down to the quantity section and update the number of items you have in stock. If you have sold some items outside eBay, or you need to reduce stock for any reason, just lower the quantity here and tap done. And again, if you have restocked and you need to increase the quantity, simply enter the new amount to a bigger site and save changes. In the end, tap update listing to apply the changes to your listing. But for example, if you sell variations of your item, like sizes and colors or stuff like that, scroll to the variations section and adjust quantities for each individual variation. And what else? Eventually, regularly check your active listings to keep quantities accurate and avoid overselling. So that's basically how you can manage stock on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.